Unacademy. Let's crack it.
The exam started, anxiety levels started rising. Now students come back and say that we are experiencing severe mental blocks like never before. मेरे पास hundreds of messages इकट्ठा हो चुके हैं. मैम मैं तो सब आता हुआ भूल रहा हूँ. मैम मैं recall नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Guys and girls, let me quickly tell this to you. These are all good signs. बस इसको controlled रखना है हमको. Little anxiety is good, but don't let all this get into your head. अंदर जाएगा ना तो तंग करेगा. Remember this, exam days are the D-days. This is the time we all have been waiting for. Literally the time for which we completely dedicated ourselves. We sacrificed everything. We sacrificed friends, socializing, sleep, recreation. So now go with an open mind and write the exams, है ना? Give your best. अपना पूरा जो है टाइम मैनेजमेंट वगैरह का ध्यान रखिए और बिल्कुल खुले दिमाग से अब एग्जाम रखिए. सब याद आ जाएगा, सब कुछ आप कर लेंगे. Remember your days during the classes. You connect with your teachers, you connect with your friends. How much fun we had. You all will rock it. Take care. God bless you all. All the best.